friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is Batel from Batel's Kitchen, and today I'm so happy to be back with a new oatmeal recipe for you guys. We love oats at our house in any shape or form, but being a busy mom can also be challenging to have a normal breakfast. Between changing diapers, preparing lunches, cleaning the house and all that, when do I get a chance to grab a bite? Therefore, 1-minute quick oats are the perfect solution for those busy mornings when you want something healthy and nourishing without spending so much time in the kitchen. This tiramisu-like oatmeal is so delicious, and I hope you're gonna love it as much as I do. All the measurements for this recipe are going to be in the description box below. In this video, you're gonna notice I made a bigger quantity, but feel free to make one serving just for yourself. Okay, let's get started. That's it for today, my friends. I hope you enjoyed. I cannot wait for you to try this recipe for yourself. If you're new over here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you need more help with eating more plant-based, I invite you to check out my cookbook, Eggless Possibilities, where you can find so many healthy recipes for every day and even more. Check it out in the description box below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.